Yesterday, we were prepped and ready to go for Hurricane Florence to hit Greenville. Fortunately, the storm had weakened to really just a light wind and a light rain by the time it hit us. So we are all safe and we are all well, and today was actually so beautiful, we went out on a bike ride.
Thank you to everyone who reached out to us. Your comments, calls, thoughts, and prayers were deeply appreciated. We know that not everyone was as fortunate as we were. Our thoughts and prayers are with those who experienced loss during this difficult time.
So, everyone take care out there, and we'll see you next week.